nationwide manhunt for that man accused of murdering his wife and shooting a judge in Reno. There is new information tonight about his actions on the day of the shooting. Police have also released the 911 tape of calls made that day right after the judge was shot. Claudia Cowan is live in Reno now with more on the story and the search for the suspect. Claudia?
Well, Frank, no new leads from Reno police today, but we are learning more about how Monday's crime spree unfolded. 5 days after Darren Mack allegedly went on a murderous rampage here in Reno, the timeline of events suggests the crimes were methodically planned. Police say between 9:10 and 9:30 Monday morning, Mack killed his estranged wife, Charla, at his townhouse in South Reno and then left. Between 9:30 and 10:30, he met his friend, Dan Osborne, for coffee. Osborne was at Mack's house when police believe the murder occurred. Then, at about 11 o'clock, 911 began to get reports of a sniper attack at the Reno Family Court building.
I think there's going to be a sniper in a parking garage.
There's been a gunshot. One of the judges has been shot. On the third floor, the Judge Willis Chambers, he has been shot.
At 11:11, 6 minutes after the shooting and long after he left Mack's house, Osborne finally called police, saying he was worried about Charla Mack's safety, and he called more than once. But some 3 hours passed before investigators finally went to the house with Osborne and found Charla's body in the garage.
The officers open up the garage door. They can see Charla Mack lying dead in the garage.
At 2:30, Mack's corporate credit card was traced to the Sacramento Airport parking garage. On Wednesday, police found Charla's cell phone near the freeway in Reno. It appeared to have been tossed out of a car heading westbound in the direction of Sacramento. Darren Mack now wanted on a federal warrant for unlawful flight. Some of his friends tell us they think this millionaire pawn shop owner has probably left the country. And Frank, of course, everyone is begging this man to surrender. Back to you.
Claudia, what about their kids? I've seen 3 kids. I don't know if all 3 of them are the couples, but what's the status with those children?
Well, all 3 were Darren's. 2 were Charla's stepchildren. They shared a 7-year-old daughter, and this little girl was really at the center of this bitter custody battle. They both wanted custody of little Erica, who essentially, Frank, really did lose both of her parents.